So here are some of the funnel settings that you can modify. When you click on funnel settings, you'll see this pop-up where you can change obviously the funnel name. You can add a favicon that will show in the browser, social sharing image when you share the funnel into the social medias, inject code from the website. If you have a funnel that is part of the website, you can inject it, and you can set as homepage. So if you're building a website which you want to start with the funnel like the homepage, you can set it as a homepage, this funnel, and the first step, the landing page, will become your homepage for your whole website. So this is really nice if you want to do A/B testing of your homepage. So some of the other things that you can do is you can connect a custom domain depending on the plan that you have. First of all, you can change your website URL if it's part of the website, the funnel, or you can connect an existing domain. So you just type in the domain, in this case let's say domain.com, click on connect, and just like a normal domain connecting to a website, you can see that you have to add 2 records, one A and one C name record, to your domain provider where you purchase the domain. And just like that, you've connected the domain to your funnel, and when you open the domain, it will open the funnel. Keep in mind that it takes some time for the settings to propagate, so make sure that you add the proper ones into your domain provider, and it will be available up to 48 hours. It usually takes just a few tops. So some of the other things that you can do is obviously you can add a custom head markup. So if you want to add your own custom pixel, for example, analytics or anything like that, any third-party integration, you can paste in the script here, no problem. It will work very simple and easy. You can add custom CSS as well. If you want to style something specifically for that funnel, you can add the CSS coding here. And of course, you can add custom body markup. If you want to add, again, scripts, CSS, even some markup, you can do that here. So these are some of the settings, very simple and easy: changing names, favicons, connecting a domain, and adding your custom code for your funnels is simple as that. So these are some of the amazing funnel settings that you can modify. If you have any questions, just let us know.